need a twofer, as they say. In addition to making the pork and beans with ground beef, I'm also making a seafood salad. You're gonna need 2 cans of tuna. These are 12-ounce cans. Gonna need some sweet pickle relish, some mayo or sandwich spread, but I like Miracle Whip. You're gonna need some crab meat. This is a leg style crab flavored. That's always good. You're gonna need a bag of shrimp. This is medium, 71 to 9. It's 22 ounces. You're gonna need a bag of scallops. This is 80 plus for a 1 pound bag. You're also gonna need a box of elbow macaroni. Now I cooked this macaroni like 2 hours ago because you want to make sure the macaroni is cold before you start making the seafood salad. Nice and cold because it grabs the mayo so much better when it's cold. So cook it like an hour in advance, 2 hours, the day before, whichever. Now you're going to take the scallops and the shrimp, you're going to thaw them out. I'm going to use a colander and run some cold water on them till they're thawed out. And then I'm going to steam them in a pot. Okay, once you've cooked the shrimp and the scallops, I let them boil for like maybe 15 minutes. Try to get the shrimp, the salad shrimp, so you don't have to worry about cutting the tails off of them. But they didn't have that at Walmart when I went, so I had to get those. But if you can't, get the salad shrimp. So while those are cooling, you want to start cutting up the imitation crab meat. You're just going to cut it up into like chunks. Regular old knife. Oh look, they're individually wrapped. Ain't that convenient? By convenient, I mean not convenient at all.
I'm pretty sure they got sauce on it.
Okay. So you're gonna take it, cut it in a way you are comfortable with. But you want it in small pieces. It don't have to be pretty. I'm just gonna cut and cut and cut. No, they had shredded crab meat. That's the one I should have got, but I was being cheap and I got this instead. Plus it was in such a small bag, I didn't think it would be enough. So you just continue to cut like so, and you just throw it on in there. I don't know if this skin or what, but I'm finna eat some. Yummy. So open up these individual wrap things and cut them up and then put them in the pasta. Okay, I used 5 of those individually wrapped crab thingies, and this is how I mix it all up already. You don't want too much of one seafood, like a whole bunch of crab and a little old shrimp, so try to have it evenly balanced. Now I'm going to add the 2 cans of tuna. I already drained the juice out of the tuna. So just add the tuna. You add the tuna. Then comes the boring, tedious part of the whole thing, which is cutting the scallops and the shrimp. Now if you all rich, you can buy like 2 bags of scallops, so you don't have to cut them up. But these scallops were like $8 a bag, so I wasn't trying to buy no 2 bags. So what I'm gonna have to do is cut each scallop in half, and with the shrimp I'm gonna have to cut those in half and cut off the tail. So this is like the worst part of the seafood salad, but believe me, it is worth it. Once you get everything in the bowl all mixed up and you put it in the ice box and you let it cool, it is so worth all this work. So added the tuna. Now I'm going to stir the tuna in, and then I'm going to get to the task of cutting all those up. Now there's no fancy quick way to cut them up unless you got like a, I don't know, some kind of fancy cutting thing. So I'm going to have to do it all by hand. I'm going to have to cut individual pieces by hand. So I ain't going to show y'all that boring part because I'm sure you ain't interested. So you stir in the tuna, get all these big chunks in the smaller, and then I'm going to cut the shrimp and the scallops, and then we'll be back. Okay, it took me 50 million years to cut up those shrimp and scallops, but you can see they're all in there. So now I'm going to add the mayo, well, the Miracle Whip, and the sweet relish. Now this the part that's going to get real fattening. Because when I say I'm adding some mayo and sweet relish, I mean I am adding mayo and sweet relish. So look away if you cannot stand the fat content going up to like 1,000. Yeah.
Good.
All of that. That's like half the jar. Actually though, it's like a little more than half. You can put in as much as you want. You can put in less, but I like mine to be sweet. And it's better to sweeten it with sweet relish than actually put some sugar in there, which some people I have seen have done. And yes, I might have done that before myself, but I ain't doing that now. So you want to stir. You probably want to get like a bigger spoon, because this spoon sucks, but work what I got. So you stir it in there, and I don't think it's enough relish, so I'm gonna add some more. It's looking a little dry on this side over here. That's about, you know what, I might well just pour the whole jar in there. Yes, just like that. That's better. Yes, this is fattening. This is very fattening. Okay, I stirred in the relish. Now I'm going to add in the mayo. It's going to get even more fattening in here. This is not fat-free nothing. Gloop. Gloop, gloop, gloop all over the place. YouTubers. What's that, like 4 spoonfuls? Plop.
What a nice message.
You're going to stir it all up. It's going to get all nice and creamy and delicioso. Stir and stir and stir. Actually, I'm just stabbing. I can't even stir. So stab and stab and stab.
Such violence.
Oh. See. So you want to stir the mayo in. And I'm going to add some more mayo. Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. Gonna add some more mayo. Look, I like my seafood salad creamy. Creamy. I only cook this like twice a year, so I'm good.
If that.
That's because scallops are too high. Now, if you want to be all fancy, you can also use lobster in here. I have never used lobster because I don't see the purpose in buying some high lobster meat. But if you can afford some lobster meat, then by all means, try it. Let me know how it is. I've always been curious to know how lobster meat would taste in here. It probably tastes just like the crab meat. I mean, really, what's the difference? A crab, a lobster, whoop-de-doo. So you want to keep stirring. I'm tired, that's why I'm breathing all hard, dirty, and I'm tired and hot. So you just keep stirring until it's the consistency that you want. You can add some more mayo if you like. You can add some mustard, which I don't like. I mean, I have tried it with mustard before, but I don't really like the mustard that much, so. But if you like mustard, by all means, add you some Dijon mustard or some yellow mustard. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. See all the delicious flavors in there, all the seafood and the relish and the mayo, and it is so good. So thanks for watching. This is Seafood Salad.